Hi, I'm Bob, a Shopify seller, but I want to grow my business. More clients, more sales, more cash. But how can I bring my Shopify products to other channels? And solution exists. I just installed SellerSkills. Import products from Shopify to SellerSkills and after to eBay, Walmart, and Amazon. Sync inventory. That is it. So simple. Wow. The inventory control rocks. When I get a new order on any platform, SellerSkills automatically decreases the number of goods in my centralized inventory and on other marketplaces as well. No more overselling. Yippee! Can't be happier. I nailed it. I chillax and rake it in with ease. Want to do the same? Then use SellerSkills. It's free for starters.